Hi guys, today I'm back for unboxing and testing mode of another essential device for vlogging or just to improve the audio quality of our video recording or presentation. We need a good microphone for that and not just be content with our smartphone's mic. Now, the Boya Lavalier microphone BY-M1 is one that is value for money, yet it can do its function greatly. So without further ado, let's unbox and test this one. Now I bought this at Amazon.ae with a retail price of 40 dirhams, excluding delivery charge. So just the price is a steal. So once we open it, I will remove everything so I can enumerate. So you have to note this seal for original Boya mic, no? This one is the seal of original. So take note of that. So these are all the contents inside. We have the warranty card. Just fill that one. Also this small manual. This is the manual, and we will remove everything here. So there is a pouch bag. So this is the pouch bag, so to put your everything. And this is the main mic. Okay, and according to the box, it's 6 meters long. So it's very good, no? If you are outside or if you are very far, 6 meters is for that. It's generous, 6 meters. No, it's very generous the length. Okay, and other contents are this one, the pin. This is Lavalier mic, the pin that you will need for pinning it into your clothes or whatever, here in your clothes. And the screen for the mic. This one is for RCA. This is for big receiver or component that you will put in. You have to put the jack there. Inside the jack there. So this is not needed for cell phone or for mobile smartphone. And this one is for this is the cell battery that you will need to input, that you will put for, actually this is for SLR camera. This is for SLR camera. You need to put it here, I believe. Later I will demonstrate. This is for SLR camera. So we don't need this. Also don't need this RCA jack. We need this one. So we put this. This is the mic. We put this here, and this is the pin. Oops. So we need to put the pin here. So very simple. Just put the pin. Yes, there. I put the pin and the screen for the mic. Okay. Yan. So as I told you, to use the function for the SLR camera, as you can see, there is it's like on and off knob there. If you want to use for SLR camera, you need to turn up for the camera. But when you use this mic for SLR camera, you have to put the battery, the cell battery that I mentioned a while ago, no? Wait, mali yung bukas ko. Okay, there, no? you have to put that battery there for the SLR camera. Since we don't need it for we don't need it for smartphone, no need to put the battery. Just off, turn off. You see, off slash for smartphone. So no need to put battery for if you are using SLR camera. So it's a 6 meter long, and this one is the audio jack. Take note, the audio jack is what they call TRRS. So how will you use this in your current model of your, let's say, iPhone X, where now is the lightning and not the audio jack. So what you need is an adapter that lightning to headphone jack, because this is a headphone jack, so you need a adapter. And take note, this is very important. Don't buy those cheap adapter in the store. You have to buy an original certified Apple adapter, because the first time I went to see cheap adapter, and it didn't work, this 10 dirhams adapter. So I went to an Apple store and bought this original lightning to headphone jack. So you need this one, so this Boya mic will work. So buy the original in the Apple store with a certified Apple or any other equivalent, but with the certification that it's good for this jack, for this TRRS jack. So you need this one to work. So let us put this one. So okay. So let us put this one here. Okay. There's adapter. And now let us connect to I'm not using a mic when I did this video from the beginning. Now we will test this mic we will test now this mic if it's good, no, the quality of the audio. So we will test now. Now hi, test mic. So you have to compare this one. I'm using now the Lavalier Boya M1 BY-M1 model of Boya mic I'm using now. So compare this sound, the quality of the sound, to the start of the video where I'm not using any mic. So yeah, just compare it. So this is very good because I believe especially when outside you need the mic, and if you are far from the mobile you need the mic. So this is how it works. Very easy to operate. Just take note of what I've said. So thank you for watching. Hope that this video has helped you, and please subscribe to my channel for more incoming reviews on gadgets and devices. Thank you.